Good day everyone. My name is Jose H. Dalmasio from BSCS 4A. In this video, I will explain the codes and the output of activity number 1, data exploration. This codes provides an in-depth exploratory data analysis of the IRIS dataset, showing a variety of techniques for understanding and visualizing data. Importing libraries, pandas, used for data manipulation and creation data frame. Seaborn, a visualization library for creating attractive static plot. Matplotlib, pyplot, used for plotting and customized visualization. Sklearn, dataset load iris, provide access to the iris dataset. Loading and preparing the iris datasets. Load iris. Load the iris datasets which include measurement of flowers, setosa, versicolor, virginica, iris PD. Convert the dataset into a pandas data frame for easier manipulation. Adding species information, iris, species, iris, sklearn, add a column identifier 0, 1, and 2. Map, setosa, versicolor, virginica, convert numeric species identifier to meaningful names. Data inspection, iris head. Display the 5 rows of the datasets to provide a preview. Iris describe. Generate summary statistic. Example, mean, STD, and mean, max for each numeric column. And this is the iris describe. Iris is null, sum. Check for the missing values, none found in the dataset. Print iris data type, D types. Show data types of each column. Numeric column are float 64 and the species is object. And this is the histogram. The purpose of this is to display the distribution of each feature, sepal length, petal length, and width. And this is the scatter plot. The purpose of this is to visualize the relationship between sepal length and sepal width across species. And this is the pair plot of iris dataset. The purpose of this is to examine pairwise relationship between all feature. And the last is the correlation heap map of iris feature. The purpose of this is to show linear relationship between feature numerically and visually. And that covers our laboratory activity number 1, data exploration. That's all. Thank you for watching.